Hello and welcome back to another installment of What's in the Box, your favorite uranium glass unboxing series with me, Paul from Glass in the Dark. I've got 3 boxes today, and I bet you're excited to find out what's in the box.
What's in the box?
Ready to see what we have in store? Here's what we've got today. Today we're doing reverse order of opening. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, the big box first. Packing peanuts again. Oh my goodness gracious. Get out! Get out! Get out! All right. Woo! It's a cocoon! I hope you appreciate this episode does not feature the giant pair of scissors. I've never really seen anybody use wrap over top of the bubble wrap, but it was very effective. It did smell, but it's very effective. Oh my goodness. It's really big. Oh my god, there's more. A cocoon in a cocoon. It is, I can see it though, it's big.
Many hours later.
Whew. Lots of layers. Right. Here comes Santa Claus. Stuffed with more packing peanuts. Wow. He's so much bigger than I thought he was going to be. He's made by West Virginia Glass Company, which is a group of people in West Virginia who are using some of the original Fenton molds to do new pressings. They are a bit of a secretive group. I'm not sure how large the scale of production is, certainly a few hundred. And if you're an avid collector too, you have probably seen these already online going for several $100s. Well, they were not that much money. They did cost about $100 each. But I mean, seeing how much bigger it is in comparison to something like this, you know, it's pretty amazing. And the quality of this is really good. Like really, really good. Ho, ho, ho. I'm a fan. The one thing I will note is that it does still have the Fenton maker mark on it with an 8, which I think was for the 80s. But I know it's very difficult to remove those because it's not sanding it down. You have to like fill in. But this is sort of like what happened with Summit when they started making the Westmoreland glass with the Westmoreland mark. And, you know, people knew that this never came in topaz. But, you know, in 20 to 30 years from now, will anyone know? Or will they think that this is an original Fenton piece from the 80s? Future, you decide. Next box. Ooh. Look how pretty. So, ooh, this was not very thoroughly packed, but she made it. This is a Fenton opalescent hobnail cornucopia fan vase. It has a very large chip in the bottom, but it looks pretty good. And honestly, I'll take the chip because it was pretty cheap for what this is. And do I have one behind me? Yeah, I have another Fenton hand vase behind me. It's a great one. Are you ready for the next box? I've saved the smallest one for last. Let's find out what tiny treasure lies inside.
Why are you so small?
Why are you so tiny?
Why are you so little?
I definitely have to admit, I'm a little nervous about opening this one. I haven't been able to find it in this color, and I thought that I had been looking for it for a long time. It's just a harder piece to find, but maybe it didn't exist. You know, maybe this is like the Mandela effect of Vaseline glass for me, where I've seen something, I think it must exist, but there's just no photographic evidence somehow. I also could have gone back and looked at the eBay listing, but I didn't. So let's find out what's in the box. Whoops. All right. This, is it a hat? Is it a fan? It is a fan brim hat. I know. So it was made by a company named Windsor Glass, introduced around 1888, I think, and that was in Pittsburgh. They're just our amber, clear, blue, and then I never see Canary. So I'm very curious to know what's out there, how much people know about this. It's a really neat one. I was really glad to have finally gotten it. And it's just another beautiful piece from my weird Vaseline glass hat collection. What do you think? Do you like this one? Would you get this one? If you found this, would you buy it? Or would you be like, what the hell is this? It's pretty weird, but I think it's nice. Anyway, here's the haul for today. You can really see a big difference in the glass coloring between these. You've got something from the 1880s, possibly the mid-century, and then 2025. This was made about a month ago. And look at the color difference there. And all of this is considered Vaseline glass. I am super pumped for each one of these pieces. Now let's put these babies under the black light and watch them glow. That's all the content I've got for you today. Thank you so much for tuning in for another installment of What's in the Box. We've been releasing this series for a while now. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments which piece you really liked today. Would you want any of these in your collection? I'm Paul from Glass in the Dark, and we'll be back again soon with a new installment of What's in the Box. But until next time, happy hunting.